The sharp whine of the saw, the crack as wood splits, a cloud of sawdust rising like smoke. These are the sounds of precision. Today, we're diving into the world of joinery, transforming raw timber into a masterpiece of skill and craftsmanship. Welcome to Timber Force, where man, metal, and nature collide. Let's dive in. Boom! Did that just blow your mind? Drop a comment below if it did. Let's count how many minds we crushed today with raw power. This is Timber Pro. Steel roars to life. Blades strike with brutal precision. Every cut, flawless, unstoppable, merciless. No splinters, no resistance. Only raw power and perfect balance. This is more than cutting. This is domination. Thinking about tree removal? This isn't luck, it's power and precision. Plan smart, stay safe, save big. Forget the bulldozer. All it takes is a car and a rope. The stump roared in defiance, but physics doesn't lie. One pull, one snap, total destruction. Boom, victory delivered by raw ingenuity. The Peterbilt 359, a shining beast of chrome, a titan of raw power, driven by the legendary Cat 3046 engine. It doesn't just haul, it dominates. Built to outlast time itself, a true workhorse standing tall in a world of fading machines. Did you catch that? The Jeep refused to surrender. Steel against stubbornness, a clash of pure willpower. This truck bleeds grit, and it's nowhere near done fighting. Listen up, tree work isn't a game, it's life or death. One smart decision today can spare you a lifetime of regret. Respect the timber or pay the price. So let's make safety the top priority, every single time we're around trees.
Well, he's loaded.
A great trucker isn't just behind the wheel. It's lightning-fast awareness, razor-sharp thinking, and the ability to solve problems on the fly. They don't just move freight, they power the entire supply chain, carrying pride and responsibility with every mile. That was a near miss. Felling trees is dangerous work. Every cut demands precision, every move requires awareness, and every risk must be assessed to prevent disaster. The storm tore through the tree, ripping apart its roots. Now it teeters on a precarious slope, hanging by a thread, ready to collapse at any moment. Safety is our top priority. Strict protocols keep everyone out of the danger zone, standing guard to prevent any injuries before they can happen. The Vermeer BC 2100 XL is changing the game in urban forestry. With raw power and pinpoint precision, it takes down massive trees effortlessly, keeping safety tight and efficiency razor sharp in the heart of Sydney's bustling city. The Valmet 840.3 is trapped in deep ruts, a stark reminder of why terrain assessment is crucial. Getting it out will demand specialized equipment and precision every step of the way. Whoa, look at these guys. Have you ever seen anyone move through trees with that speed and precision? Whoa, it's like they were born in the canopy. Seriously, someone get these guys a deal. Their skills are on another level.